Namaskar, myself Pratik. In this session, we are going to discuss part 3 of implementation of simple linear regression. We are going to fit our simple linear regression model in this session. Let us start this session. In previous session, we have already performed train test split on our dataset. We have created xtrain, xtest, ytrain and ytest to build our machine learning model. In this session, we are going to fit our simple linear regression model. In order to implement simple linear regression in Python, we have to import linear_model library from sklearn. This library has a class named as linear regression, which include all the methods for implementation of simple linear regression. So let us first import this class from linear_model library. The syntax to import this class is from sklearn.linear_model import linear regression. So here we are importing a class linear regression from linear_model library of sklearn. After importing this class, the next task will be to create its object. So let us create an object of this class. So here we are creating an object with name regressor for class linear regression. This class has all the methods for implementation of linear regression over the dataset. Here we are calling a method fit to build simple linear regression model. You can see that we have to pass two parameters to this method. Let us give a thought what type of parameter need to be passed for this method. Here we have four data variables. These are xtrain, xtest, ytrain and ytest. In order to build the model, the system will learn from xtrain and ytrain. Xtrain contain the data of all training instances of independent variable, while ytrain contain the corresponding instances for dependent variable. So on the basis of xtrain and ytrain, we have to build our model. So we have to pass these two parameters, that is xtrain and ytrain, to fit method. So the syntax will be regressor.fit xtrain, ytrain. Thus on the basis of training data, the system learn the dependence between x and y. Here x_train contain the data of research experience, while y_train contain their corresponding salary. Machine learning model will learn from the relationship between xtrain and ytrain and try to fit the best possible straight line over this dataset. So this way we will able to build our simple linear regression model. Now let us move to Spider to execute this code. So here I am going to copy this code. So let's copy this code here. This is our extra line, just delete that. So we have already executed our code up to train test split. We have xtrain, xtest, ytrain and ytest. Now the next task will be to import linear regression class from linear_model library of sklearn. Let's execute this statement by pressing Ctrl Enter. We have successfully imported this class. Let's create the object of this class. Object has been created. Now let's fit our simple linear regression model over xtrain and ytrain. So you can see that our model has been successfully built over this dataset. This is all about this session. In next video session, we will perform the next step, that will be predicting the value on test set. Thanks for watching this video.